Cha Igbo mmanụ.
Yeah.
Igbo bụ Igbo. Ohaneze.
Igbo bụ Igbo.
The executive president of Ohaneze ndị Igbo in Lagos State, Chief Solomon Ogbonna Agwene. In collaboration with the governor of Lagos State, His Excellency Babajide Sanwo-Olu, beckons on all Igbos in Lagos State, in diaspora and all over the world, with their friends to this special and great event of Ndi Igbo, tagged the Outstanding Igbo Day. It is a special occasion earmarked to honor our illustrious individuals in all walks of life that has been a blessing in different ramifications and philanthropy. Some of the outstanding philanthropists for these awards and recognitions are Chief Ifeanyi Chukwuma Ode, Ifeanyi Chuks, Unozeri Bonine, who is also the chairman of the event, Chief Obinna Iyebu Obi Kubana, who is the vice chairman of this occasion, Chief Allen Onyema of Air Peace, Chief Chidi Anyebu Chiskomotos, His Excellency Chief Olusegun Obasanjo, Senator Florence Itagiwa, His Excellency Chukwuemeka Ezife Okwadike. The father of the day is Ambassador George Obianzo, President General Ohaneze Worldwide. Let Colonel Adekunle Fajui, who gave his life for his Igbo friend, General Aguiyi Ironsi. Ogbuefifemi Otedola, ezigbo enyi ndị Ohaneze na Lagos. Ezinne Honorable Rita Daniels, President General Women Wing Ohaneze Worldwide. Special guest of honor, Commodore Ebutu Ikiwe. This event is coming up on 12 December 2021 at Police College Ground, Ikeja, by 12 noon. Maximum security assured by the police. The co-host of this event is His Excellency Babajide Sanwo-Olu, the Governor of Lagos State, and the President of Ohaneze ndị Igbo, Chief Solomon Ogbonna Agwene. Udochia.
Solomon Idanima Mbombo. Solomon Idanima Mbombo. Onye Chimerezi na mmadụ apụghị na ya. Mbombo. Onye Chimerezi na mmadụ apụghị na ya.